This VIP Realty property video is presented by Connie Walters, SCIS. Located in Deep Creek subdivision in Punta Gorda. This ground-level pool home offers an open floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The primary suite is large with a separate shower, jacuzzi tub, and separate home office. Enjoy the interior gas fireplace with a heated pool, and hot tub located in a private backyard setting. This nicely acquainted home offers a 2-car garage, storage, and upgraded features. For more information, review the details below or contact Connie Walters, SCIS at 239-841-4540.